This video contains affiliate links, and I earn a referral fee if you use the services mentioned, at no extra cost to you, because they're the best in the industry. Most people spend their whole life working for money, but the wealthy? They collect assets that pay them over and over again. The secret is simple. You don't need $1 million salary or a winning lottery ticket. You need the right assets that grow your wealth while you sleep. Today, we're counting down the 12 assets that make you rich and how you can start building them right now. Number 12, cash. Cash may sound boring, but it's the foundation of every wealthy person's financial plan. It's not about hoarding piles of money. It's about having liquidity when you need it most. Think back to 2008, when real estate prices crashed. Investors with cash on hand scooped up properties at bargain prices, and many became millionaires within a few years as values bounced back. The wealthy understand that cash is opportunity fuel. Too much, and it loses value to inflation. Too little, and you miss out on the biggest wealth-building chances. 11. Real estate. Real estate has created more millionaires than almost any other asset. When you buy a rental property, you're not just owning a house, you're creating a cash flow machine. Every month, tenants pay rent, which covers your mortgage and leaves you with profit. Over time, your equity builds and the property itself appreciates in value. For example, someone who bought a modest rental in 2000 for $150,000 could easily see it worth $350,000 or more today, all while collecting rent every month. The wealthy love real estate because it combines monthly income with long-term growth, a double win. Number 10, bonds. Bonds don't get much attention, but they're one of the safest ways to preserve wealth. When you buy a bond, you're basically lending money to a government or corporation, and in return, they pay you steady interest. During uncertain times, like recessions or market crashes, bonds are often the anchor that keeps portfolios steady. Even Warren Buffett holds billions in bonds through Berkshire Hathaway. Because building wealth isn't just about making money, it's also about making sure you don't lose it. 9. Stocks and index funds. Owning stocks means owning part of a company. And when that company grows, so does your wealth. Imagine if you had invested $10,000 in Apple stock back in the 1990s. Today, that investment would be worth well over $1 million. The wealthy don't chase hot tips. They invest in strong, long-term businesses and let compounding do the heavy lifting. Reinvesting dividends, staying consistent, and not panicking when the market dips. That's how they turn stocks into a fortune. Then, number 8, mutual funds and ETFs. For people who don't want to pick individual stocks, ETFs and mutual funds are game changers. With one investment, you can own hundreds or even thousands of companies. That's instant diversification, and it protects you from putting all your eggs in one basket. For example, an S&P 500 ETF lets you invest in the 500 biggest companies in the US. That means if one company struggles, the rest can balance it out. Even billionaires use ETFs as a simple, safe way to build wealth over time. 7. Commodities. Gold, silver, oil, wheat, commodities are real, tangible things that hold value no matter what happens to the dollar. They act as a hedge against inflation. Take gold, for example. During the 1970s, inflation in the US skyrocketed. While the value of cash fell, gold prices soared. That's why wealthy investors always keep a slice of their portfolio in commodities. They may not grow as fast as stocks, but they help protect wealth when currencies get shaky. Number 6. Intellectual property, IP. This is one of the most exciting assets. Intellectual property means you do the work once, but you get paid again and again. Books, music, patents, software, even YouTube videos fall into this category. Think about J.K. Rowling. She wrote the Harry Potter series once, but royalties from books, movies, and merchandise still generate millions every single year. Or musicians who still get paid every time their song streams on Spotify. Wealthy people love IP because it creates income that doesn't require trading time for money. 5. Cryptocurrency. Crypto is volatile, but it has created fortunes for early adopters. Someone who bought just $1,000 worth of Bitcoin in 2012 would be sitting on millions today. Now, the wealthy don't put their life savings into crypto, but they often allocate a small percentage of their portfolio, maybe 1 to 5%. Because even a small bet can pay off massively if the technology continues to grow. It's risky, but it's also a way to get exposure to the future of money. For collectibles, art, rare watches, vintage cars, trading cards, even sneakers, these are all collectibles that can skyrocket in value. In 2017, a lost Leonardo da Vinci painting sold for $450 million, even though it was purchased decades earlier for under $10,000. The rich often collect because they love the items, but the side effect is that these collections often become extremely valuable. It's a blend of passion and profit that can add another layer to their wealth. Number 3, businesses. This is the ultimate wealth builder. Every billionaire you can name, Bezos, Musk, Gates, Buffett, they all built or invested in businesses. A business gives you cash flow, control, and scalability. It can grow far beyond what one person could ever earn at a job. But here's the reality. Starting a business without legal protection can destroy your personal finances. That's why wealthy entrepreneurs form LLCs. An LLC separates your personal assets from your business, shielding your home, car, and savings from lawsuits or debts. And if you're ready to start your own business, I recommend Bizee. They're one of the best LLC services out there, fast, affordable, and they handle all the paperwork so you can focus on growth. I'll drop a link in the description so you can check them out. 2. Tax-advantaged accounts. The rich don't just earn money, they protect it. They use accounts like 401k, Roth IRAs, and HSAs to grow money tax-free or tax-deferred. That means their investments compound faster because Uncle Sam isn't taking a big chunk every year. For example, if you invest $5,000 a year in a Roth IRA starting in your 20s, you could end up with over $1 million by retirement, all tax-free. The wealthy know the rules of the game, and they use tax shelters to multiply their money. 1. Knowledge and skills. Finally, the most valuable asset of all is you. Your knowledge, skills, and mindset determine whether you can create and protect wealth. Think about Warren Buffett. He's worth over $100 billion, and he says the best investment he ever made wasn't in stocks or real estate. It was a public speaking course. That one skill helped him communicate better, lead more effectively, and ultimately build his empire. The wealthy never stop learning. They know that knowledge multiplies every other asset on this list. So there you have it, the 12 assets that make you rich. Some pay you monthly, some protect your wealth, and some create explosive growth. The secret is to start building them now, even on a small scale. And remember, wealth isn't just about owning assets, it's about protecting them. That's why if you're starting a business, I always recommend forming an LLC. Check out Bizee in the description to set yours up today, which no other company offers. You'll see 3 different packages: basic, standard, and premium. The first thing worth mentioning is that you have to pay the state fee. Bizee is not making any income from this fee. It goes directly to the state. To see the full comparison, select the entity type and choose the state. Each package has its own set of services, which are all worthy of the subscription you are paying for. The basic package is the most affordable option. Bizee charges $0 for their service in this package. No other service provides a free registered agent for the first year without any charge like Bizee does. Next is the standard package, which costs $199. This is the package I highly recommend because it covers everything you need to start a business legally. It includes everything in the basic package, plus additional services like obtaining an EIN, employer identification number, an operating agreement, lifetime company alerts, a business bank account, tax consultation, Form 2553 filing, and more. All these services, except for tax consultation, are required by the state to file an LLC successfully in the US. Filing these on your own can be challenging, so this package simplifies the process. The premium package costs $299 and includes everything in the standard package plus 4 additional services: free next-day filing, business contract templates, a domain name with a business email, and a free first-year business phone number. These extras are helpful if you're in a hurry to complete your LLC filing or want added convenience. The standard package includes everything you need to legally launch a business: This is the package I strongly suggest for the majority of business owners as it covers all that is necessary. If you found this breakdown valuable, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Which of these 12 assets are you focusing on first?